Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So I enjoyed every day rocks paintings ideas. Rock painting is a simple and beautiful way to turn ordinary stone into a piece of art with just a few colored brushes. Plain rocks can become flowers, animals, planters, or even inspirations work. This craft is fun for all ages. You don't need to be an expert to enjoy it. Paint small rocks to use as paperweights, garden decoration, or even as thoughtful handmade gifts. Every stone has Every rock style is different story, and no two designs are activities that help preserve straight and bring out your creativity. Collects rocks friends. Two designs are ever the same. It's also a relaxing activity that help reduce stress and bring out your creative collection rocks. Nature clean them and it start painting your imagination on them. With rocks painting, every stone can become a canvas of beauty and joy. Nature inspire. Rock painting contact us with nature in a very creative way. Stone are gifts from the earth, and when we paint them, we give them a new life. You can paint bright flowers, butterflies, birds, or even landscapes on simple rocks. Place them in your garden to add color or use them in decoration. Here's use the decoration piece in your home. Rock painting is also friendly. You don't